Part 1. Introduction. Artificial intelligence is no longer a thing of science fiction. It's here, it's now, and it's rapidly changing the world. If you're looking to future-proof your career or simply satisfy your curiosity, learning AI skills is a smart move. But with so many options, where do you start? In this video, we'll explore the top AI skills to learn in 2023. Part 2. Programming languages. The foundation of AI is programming. Python is the undisputed king of AI, thanks to its readability and a rich ecosystem of libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. But languages like R and Java also have their place in the AI world. Learning a programming language is your first step into the realm of AI. Part 3. Machine learning. Machine learning is the heart of AI. It's about teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Understanding concepts like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning is crucial. Libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow provide powerful tools for implementing machine learning algorithms. Part 4. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the human brain. It's behind breakthroughs in image recognition, natural language processing, and more. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch are essential for deep learning. Part 5. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This is essential for building chatbots, language translation tools, and sentiment analysis systems. Libraries like NLTK and Sparsi provide tools for NLP tasks. Part 6. Computer vision. Computer vision allows machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world. It's used in self-driving cars, facial recognition, and medical image analysis. Frameworks like OpenCV and TensorFlow provide tools for computer vision tasks. Part 7. Data engineering. AI models rely on high-quality data. Data engineering involves collecting, cleaning, and preparing data for analysis. Skills like SQL, data warehousing, and cloud computing are essential for data engineers. Part 8. Ethics in AI. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. Understanding bias in AI, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse is essential. Ethical AI is a growing field, and it's important to be aware of the challenges and opportunities. Part 9. Cloud platforms. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure provide the infrastructure for training and deploying AI models. Learning how to use these platforms is essential for scaling AI projects. Part 10. Conclusion. Learning AI skills can open up a world of opportunities. Whether you're interested in research, development, or simply understanding the technology that shapes our world, there's never been a better time to get started. Remember, the most important thing is to start learning and experimenting.